this thing.
Hey,
We don't see
can you say what's in that box right now? Just so.
There's a bird in the box.
Yeah, like they'll like the song by
Like the song by Sack of Licks.
D. Snyder. Oh, D. Snyder's Bird in the Box.
Oh, perfect. Perfect. All right, got
I
it.
knew this big ass drawing pad would come in handy someday.
For catching birds.
Yeah, the bird catcher.
Oh, no, it's shitting itself right now.
I think he's dead.
It, right? So
We should just let him loose to see what happens.
I was
Just
gonna.
keep him in here.
My thing was let him loose because he's gonna.
It's pretty big, right?
Oh my god. It's like this big.
It's the biggest bird I've ever been stuck in a room with.
Oh, shh! Stay in there, bird!
Alright, hang on.
David Bird.
Oh! He's up at the top, he's up at the top.
This is what all the
Ranger
birds
station,
want.
gentlemen.
Did to us.
Yeah,
Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna...
Is there a squirrel in here?
Hang on a second.
We're like, oh, yeah.
Tell me what you're gonna
I walked in and I was like,
He's trying to get out.
There's a bird!
You hear that? He's trying to
I opened it.
Alright.
let's
I
try
saw
it
you still
again.
across the room.
I'm gonna like that. I'm gonna shove this underneath.
I walked in, heard the ruffling.
Oh, got it.
Holy shit! He got the fucking.
Alright, clear a path.
Oh my
Joe.
god,
Hold it up again.
Yeah.
We both got it.
Alright.
1, 2, 3. Go.
We got him!
I got my card.
Got that motherfucker.
Got that motherfucker, boys! Let's go! Let's go! We did it! Woo! Fuck you, bird!
How did that happen?